how to see who screenshotted your Snapchat story. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can see who screenshot our Snapchat stories, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you're curious as to who has taken a screenshot for your Snapchat story, you can try opening the Snapchat application here. Once you open the Snapchat app, you can tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen, and once you tap the profile icon here, let's say that you are curious as to who took a screenshot. All you have to do is tap this little I button next to your story views. So when you tap on that icon, which is right over here, you should be able to see a list of people who has viewed your story, and you will also find an option called screenshot. Now currently in my case, no one has viewed my story, but if someone has, then they should be able to actually see, and you should be also able to see if someone has went ahead and then taken a screenshot of your story. This way you can find out on how you can see who screenshotted your Snapchat story. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.